Hello dear viewers, so today we'll see about the Deccan Plateau. So here you can observe this area is comes under Deccan Plateau. So the Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. This Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. It extended from river Narmada to the southern tip of the peninsula. So from here to here it's locating. So it is bounded by the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. So here it's bounded by the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats on the eastern and western coast respectively. Western Ghats includes the Nilgiri Hills, the Anamalai Hills and the Karmadam Hills. Here you can see here the Nilgiri Hills will come, next Anamalai Hills and last one Karmadam Hills we can see here. The hills of the Western Ghats are respectively higher than the Eastern Ghats. So the hills here you can see the hills are higher than the Eastern Ghats, and both the Ghats joins each other in the Nilgiri Hills. So here it will joins the both the Ghats. And again what we are seeing here, rivers we are seeing here. The rivers in these regions are seasonal as they depend on the rainwater. The rivers which are flowing in the southern part are the seasonal rivers. Why? It's because these rivers are depend totally upon the rainwater. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are the main river we are seeing here. So here this is the Godavari, this is Krishna and Mahanadi river we are seeing here. And again what we are seeing here, here these rivers are originating in the southern part. These rivers rise in the west and flow in towards the eastern. So whereas they eventually empty into Bay of Bengal. Godavari is the largest river of Deccan Plateau. Here you can see this is the Godavari river which is the largest in Deccan Plateau. And Narmada and Tapi are the only major river that flow from the east to west. So here only these are rivers. Remaining all the rivers are flowing from west to east. Only these rivers are flowing from east to west. Narmada and Tapi. And these rivers from several waterfalls in their course because of the uneven land. Here we are seeing so many waterfall also because why? Because of the uneven land. Here we are seeing high and here we are seeing so many valleys. That's why we can see many waterfall. The Jog Fall on the river Sharavati in Karnataka is amongst the highest plume of the waterfall in the country. So on the river Sharavati we are seeing a Jog fall which is the highest fall in India which comes in Karnataka. So large dams are constructed across the Deccan rivers to store the water. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam across the Krishna River. So Krishna River across the Krishna River, which dam is constructing? The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. So enough this is. Thank you.